Loud people look productive. Quiet people build power. Most people announce their goals, but very few execute long enough to actually trust themselves. This episode isn't about finding more motivation. It's about becoming someone who doesn't need it in the first place. Self-trust doesn't just disappear overnight. It erodes slowly. Every single time you promise yourself you'll do something and then don't follow through. It's the missed workouts, the delayed tasks, the postponed decisions. Each one of those delays sends a subconscious message. I'm not reliable. And once that internal trust is gone, motivation has to work overtime just to get you started. That's precisely why most people feel so stuck. Builders, the people who actually create things of value, don't rely on motivation. They rebuild trust, brick by brick, through simple execution. Execution isn't about one heroic burst of intensity. It's about repeatability. It's about showing up when it's boring. It's about putting in the work when no one is watching, and especially when the results are still completely invisible. This is the quiet space where your identity begins to change. You stop asking yourself, "Can I do this?" And you start knowing, "I am the type of person who does what I say I'm going to do." That kind of confidence isn't loud or flashy. It's internal, it's deep, and it's permanent. It becomes a part of who you are. Real progress is almost always silent. There's no applause, no external validation, and definitely no instant feedback. This is the point where most people quit, because the silence feels like failure. But builders understand something fundamentally different. Silence is incubation. It's the period where your systems are forming, your skills are compounding, and your discipline is stabilizing. It's in that quiet, focused effort that you build the foundation. And then one day, almost without you noticing, control appears. You're no longer fighting to stay on track. It just becomes your default state. If you want to build that unshakable self-trust, do this. First, choose one daily execution habit. Just one. It should be a single task that is directly tied to your income, a new skill, or building leverage. Second, remove all emotion from the execution of that task. Treat it exactly like brushing your teeth. It's just something you do. It's non-negotiable. And third, track the promises you've kept to yourself, not the results. Results will always lag behind your effort, but your identity won't. Consistency builds trust. Trust builds authority. And authority builds freedom. So, stop announcing your plans. Stop talking about what you're going to do. Start executing, quietly. Loud ambition fades quickly, but silent discipline compounds day after day, year after year. If this message resonated with you, like the video, share it with someone who needs structure more than they need applause, and subscribe to the channel. We don't perform progress here, we build it. Thanks for watching.